So in this video, I'll cover arrays. Now, arrays is it's just a way of storing multiple values in a single variable instead of having to have separate ones. So let's just say we want to store in different types of cars. So without arrays, it would be something like this. And then, of course, each of these could be a type. So this could be a Nissan. This could be BMW. This last one could be a Mini Cooper, right? But this is pretty inefficient. So what we would actually do is do something like this. So we would make a car and we would assign a value. So we have a string of type car, and then of course if we wanted to, we could assign it straight away some values like this, or we can just do that later like this. So car 0, which is so 0. So because this is an array, it starts from a 0. So this says 3, so it has 3 elements in the array. So the first element is a 0, second one is a 1, third one is a 2. So 1, 2, 3, 3 of them. So car 0 could be a car, we go like this. Car 1 would be car 2, and car 2 is car 3. So now, just to show it, count, and then we could do car 0. There we go, like this, and we press F5. So there you go, it prints out Nissan. If we change that to 2, it's gonna print out a Mini Cooper. So what happens if we put 3 in here? Well, it's gonna be an error. That's because our array size is only this big, and we're trying to get something that's bigger than the size, so it gives us an error basically. But yeah, but that's all for arrays. Of course, arrays can be used with different types, so you can have an array of ins, floats, decimals, or anything like that. But yeah, this is it for arrays. Thank you for watching.